all we're going to be doing is replacing, the focus is replacing this. I'm not going to be doing a full strip down on this one yet. This is a SHARK DUOCLEAN. The model is HV390UKT. Ignore any numbers after that, that's not part of the model. If you need to get these caps off, please look at other videos where I've shown just removing the belt either side, and I've just gone through a quick demonstration of that I use these sort of knives. I use a sharp steak knife and it's all taped off there because it's really sharp. Yeah, to sort of get them out, trying to do as minimal damage as possible. But after that, to do just the brush bar, I've got to take both end caps off. Back one's longer one, side one short one. Exactly the same the other side. These can be a bit. There we go. Can be a bit tight to get off and on, but that's worked out good. Right, let's again just access that side. There we go. This side you've got to watch out for the wheel, because the wheel wants to come out sometimes. And just so I don't lose it, I'm just going to take that wheel out. Anyway, right, there we go. The reason why you've got to take both sides out is because it's connected on two belts. So you've got that side Vega X belt and this side the Gates belt. So yeah. So to start with, I'm going to yeah, if yours is seized, you can't spin it. If yours is seized or something where you can't spin it, I think what I'm going to do is this one isn't seized or anything, so if you can spin it and it's only your bristles that's worn away or it's just not right, you can spin that to get that belt off. But I'm just trying to think of the best way of yeah, what I'm going to do, I'll undo the two screws to the belt. I'll try and do it where I'm not rotating the roller. So once those, you should be able to just push that through. There we go. So remove this belt. No, that's fine. So you don't need to take that off. And this, there we go. Should be able to give you just enough to get that belt off. So that's great. So we've managed to take it out without having to spin it, just in case yours is seized and won't spin. So that's what I was trying to demonstrate there. Don't really matter which one I put back in, but as I said, slight pause because we had a bee flying about, so it's making a bloody hell of a noise. Right, but we'll get back to it. Right, you've got a line, got two outer notches, and then you've got an inner little notch there, as you can see. So you've got your outer, then you've got your inners. So they got to be lined up, as well as your screw holes at the back. So yeah, slide on through, try and they sort of get roughly in place. you go, that's goes that way, that goes that way. Right, now we'll try and concentrate more this end. You should be able to look through this side and just, you can spin the plastic. And there we go. That's slotted in better. As you can see, you can peer through there, and you might not be able to see it on the video, but you can see where the notch lines up, and that's all gone back properly. So we'll stick the screws back. The belts should be able to refit without having to do anything. I think I'll put this side in first. Tuck it over the front cog, and all I try and do is feed it around the brush roll. So spin the brush roll. Can be fiddly. Can be fiddly, but as you can see, once you've got it started, just push it down so it's nice and flush, flat. Yeah, all good. Pretty similar. You sort of go over the motor because that's ridged, and then just feed it round, and just make sure it's all nice and flush. So yeah, that's that. Right, I think we're set ready. Don't forget to put the wheel back for this side. When you're putting these back, make sure that you're lined up with the axis. This here. So push it forward, pull it forward, and then that should slot in and clips in. There we go. Same for this side. All the bees back. I'm nearly finished, so I'm not going to worry about them this time. Right, and it's literally put the screws back. I will be doing more videos, so I'm not messing about putting the caps back on just to then take them back off again, because it would just cause more damage. So, but if you look at one of the videos where I'm taking the belt off, you'll be able to see how I do it. Other than that, we're all back on. Right, I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.